All right, so welcome to what used to be an absolute disaster of a closet, now organized with the Reibii 73-inch linear storage shelves. I love these shelves because they can be put in both an L configuration, which we have here, and in a straight 73-inch configuration. They are 71 inches tall, and they can hold 1,650 pounds. So crazy amount of storage, especially for a space like this that has way too much stuff in it to not have shelving. We're going to go through, talk about the build process. We'll show you everything that we have on here. Yeah, I think that's really about it. Before that, I want to thank Reibii for sending us these shelves so that way we can do this overview video for you. Okay, so like I said, these are 73 inches linear. There's two sides, one here that has two legs and one here that has one leg. You can choose using these little hooks here whether you want them to be in an L, like we have today, or in a straight kind of I shape. So I've got them in the L because it fits into our closet very well, and basically just replaces a whole bunch of these big storage crates down here that used to be in this closet literally since the day we moved in, and I bet you have boxes you've never unpacked either. So you can see here, can definitely store some big stuff in here. I really do like the Reibii system for I guess how they mount the shelf height. There's basically just these little little bushings that snap onto these little lines, and then the shelf comes around it here and locks it in place. So you can see here, I can pull down with a lot of weight. It's not going anywhere. This is actually the second Reibii that we have in the house, and they have been such a big help for us to be able to organize and really just finish unpacking, honestly, getting all this stuff out here. So this is our production room. So it is all photo and photo gear related. You can see here we've got tons of photo bags, printer stuff right here. We actually have 3 printers in this area. On the bottom, we've got photo albums, we've got tripods, we've got cameras, we've got lenses, we got more bags, bags on bags. And then on the right, we've just got some of our taller items. I did need to pull the original closet shelf out. These are 71 inches tall, so a little bit under 6 feet. So you just want to keep that in mind if you're planning to put it where anything might be overhead. That said, it's still a perfectly reasonable height for somebody to be able to reach things on the top without needing a step stool. So I do like that as well. Shelves are super sturdy. It went together very quickly. Again, you can basically snap a couple pieces of plastic bushing onto one of these poles here. You can put these shelving units together. I also do like the L because it does provide a lot of additional stability. You can't really tip an L. It's very difficult to tip an L, especially once it's all put together. So while it does come with wall mounting hardware, if you do it like this, I mean, I can't tip it either way because you've got a giant lever sticking out on both sides. So yeah, super sturdy, easy to put together, and so much storage for helping us organize our home.